It's election season in India. Today was the first phase of voting. 160 million people voted in 102 constituencies. It was mostly business as usual, but some states saw bouts of violence too. In Manipur, for instance, there were reports of vandalism and EVM destruction. But there were also some positive stories, like a 102-year-old woman casting her vote. Election Commission officials using mules to set up polling booths. It was truly a mixed bag, a true picture of the world's largest democracy. Our next report brings you the highlights.
28 states, 8 union territories, 543 constituencies, about 1 billion voters and 6 weeks. This is the world's biggest democratic exercise. Elections kicked off in India today. This is the first phase of voting. It covers a total of 21 states and 102 constituencies. 160 million people are eligible to vote in this phase. Until 5 p.m., nearly 60% voter turnout was recorded across the states. Voters headed to the ballot box as political leaders led by Prime Minister Modi and different parties urged citizens to cast their vote.
पहले चरण का मतदान हो रहा है। ये लोकतंत्र के सबसे बड़ा उत्सव का एक बहुत बड़ा दिन है। मेरा सभी मतदाताओं से अनुरोध है, संविधान से मिले इस अधिकार का उपयोग जरूर करें।
I am proud to cast my vote. All voters should vote.
So which major states voted today? The first is Tamil Nadu. All 39 constituencies went to polls. It's a litmus test for the ruling BJP or Bharatiya Janata Party. They want to make inroads in the south, and Tamil Nadu is a big part of the mission. Meanwhile, the ruling DMK aims to repeat its 2019 performance and sweep the state once again. Other major states that voted today include Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal and Manipur.
हम आज बहुत खुश हैं कि 140 करोड़ का जो भारत का बड़ा भारत का जो आज पहला फर्स्ट फेज का इलेक्शन हुआ है, इसी में मोदी जी को थर्ड टर्म का प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनाना है। उसी में मेरे को वोट देने का मौका मिला है आज।
The northeastern state of Manipur has seen bouts of violence in the last few months. It reported 68% voter turnout, but there were several incidents of firing and vandalism. There were also reports of booth capturing and destruction of EVMs, that's electronic voting machines. But it's not just about numbers and violence. India's elections are about its voters, the 968 million people who will queue up to cast their votes. From the world's shortest woman to a newlywed couple in Jammu and Kashmir, from a 102-year-old woman in Tamil Nadu to an ancient tribe in the Andaman. Today, citizens from all walks of life showed up across the country to make their voices heard. India's Election Commission says every vote counts, and it isn't just a hashtag. They are travelling to great lengths to make sure everyone can exercise their democratic right. This is the first phase of voting in India. There are 6 more phases left. 434 more constituencies will go to polls in the coming days. The voting will end on June 1st. The results will be announced on June 4th. In 2019, the BJP-led NDA coalition secured a landslide victory. It won 353 seats, while the Congress and its partners won just 91 seats. This time, the BJP aims to further its gains. They are aiming for 400 seats. Meanwhile, the opposition alliance India is hoping to stop the ruling BJP. But that's highly unlikely according to trends. And if the BJP wins, it will be a record 3rd term for Prime Minister Narendra Modi.